Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you practice English step by step with clear explanations, natural conversations, and useful examples that you can use in your everyday life.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here with us today because in this lesson, we are going to practice how to talk about your favorite place in English, which is a very common topic in daily conversations.
Yes, because when you meet new people or talk with friends, you often want to describe places that you like, such as your favorite cafe, park, city, or even your home.
In this lesson, we will focus on long and meaningful sentences so you can describe a place clearly, explain why you like it, and share your personal experiences.
We will speak slowly, repeat important phrases, and guide you step by step so you can feel comfortable speaking English.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can continue practicing English with us. All right, let's begin today's lesson about talking about your favorite place in English.
Let's start by learning how to introduce your favorite place using a clear and complete sentence.
You can begin with a simple structure like, my favorite place is, place, because, reason.
For example, you can say, my favorite place is a small cafe near my house because it is quiet, comfortable, and perfect for relaxing.
Another example is, my favorite place is the park in my city because I can walk, enjoy fresh air, and feel peaceful.
Let's practice together. My favorite place is my room because I feel comfortable and relaxed there. My favorite place is the beach because I love the sound of the waves and the fresh air. My favorite place is a cafe because I enjoy drinking coffee and spending time there.
Great job! Always try to explain why you like the place. Now let's learn how to describe your favorite place in more detail so your sentences become longer and more meaningful.
You can talk about the atmosphere, the environment, and how the place looks.
For example, you can say, the cafe is small and quiet, with soft music playing in the background, which makes me feel relaxed and comfortable.
Or, the park is very beautiful, with many trees, fresh air, and open space where people can walk and exercise.
Let's practice. This place is very peaceful, and I feel calm when I spend time there. It is always clean and comfortable, and the environment is very relaxing. There are many people, but it still feels friendly and welcoming.
Good job! Try to add more details to make your description interesting. Now, let's explain why you like your favorite place, because this makes your speaking more personal and meaningful.
For example, you can say, I like this place because I can relax, think clearly, and take a break from my busy life.
Another example is, I enjoy going there because it helps me feel happy and gives me energy.
Let's practice. I like this place because it is quiet and helps me focus. I enjoy spending time there because I can meet my friends. This place makes me feel calm and comfortable.
Very good. Always explain your feelings when you talk about a place.
Now, let's talk about your experiences in that place, because this helps you tell a story and make your speaking more natural.
For example, you can say, last weekend I went to my favorite cafe, drank coffee, and spent time reading a book, which made me feel very relaxed.
Or, I often go to the park in the evening, where I walk slowly, listen to music, and enjoy the fresh air. Let's practice. I usually go there after work to relax and clear my mind. I went there with my friends and we had a great time together. Every time I visit this place, I feel happy and peaceful.
Great job! You are now combining past experiences and present feelings. Full conversation practice.
Emily, what is your favorite place?
My favorite place is a small cafe near my house because it is quiet, comfortable, and perfect for relaxing after a long day. That sounds nice. Can you describe it? Yes, the cafe is small and cozy, with soft music playing in the background, and the environment is very peaceful, which makes me feel calm and happy.
Why do you like this place so much?
I like this place because I can sit quietly, drink coffee, and think about my day, which helps me relax and feel better.
That is a very clear and beautiful description. Good job.
Now it is your turn to practice speaking. Please answer these questions with full sentences. What is your favorite place? Where is it? Why do you like it? What do you usually do there?
Take your time, speak slowly, and try to use long sentences with full meaning. Repeat after us. My favorite place is... I like this place because it is very... I usually go there. I feel happy when...
Practice these phrases every day to improve your speaking.
Today, we learned how to talk about your favorite place in English using long and meaningful sentences.
You practiced how to describe a place, explain why you like it, and talk about your experiences.
Remember, speaking English is about sharing your ideas clearly and naturally.
You are doing a great job, and every time you practice, you improve.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.
Thank you so much for learning with us.
Goodbye, everyone, and keep practicing English.